Public Islamic Bank Berhad is a leading Islamic financial institution headquarters in Malaysia. It started operation in 2008 and aims to offer Sharia-compliant banking service to its diverse clientele. Public Islamic Bank Berhad operate according to Islamic principle while maintaining its parent company extensive network and expertise in conventional banking. Public Islamic Bank has been providing Islamic banking goods and services to the general public since 1993. Additionally, it is a subsidiary of Public Bank Berhad, one of Malaysia's largest banking groups. Public Islamic Bank Berhad offers a wide range of Islamic financial service and product, including wealth management, corporate, investment, and retail banking. Its offering include saving and current account as well as financing solution built on the tenets of Islamic finance, such as financing for individuals, families, companies, and automobiles. Next, Public Islamic Bank Berhad has established itself as a trusted partner for individual, businesses, and institutions seeking Sharia-compliant financial solutions. Islamic Bank Berhad is dedicated to using innovation and technology to improve the banking experience for its client. The bank offers easy access to its service through the digital channel, including mobile apps and online banking platform, enabling users to effectively managing their account at any time and from any location.
Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation on the history of Public Islamic Bank Berhad. My name is Abdul Rakin Nazman bin Abdullah, and today I will be just discussing the evolution of Islamic Bank in Malaysia and the significant milestones that have shaped it. To begin with, the journey of Islamic Bank in Malaysia started with the launch of Bank Islam Malaysia Berhad or BIMB on 1 July 1983 under Yang Amat Berhormat to Dr. Mahathir Mohamad. This event marked a significant step in integrating Islamic principle into the country economic framework. Prior to BIMB, Malaysia already began developing Islamic financial system. The Program Management of Fund Board or Tabung Haji was established in 1969 to promote saving and investment among Muslims, facilitating their pilgrimage to Mecca and globally. The first Islamic bank was established in Dubai in 1975. In Malaysia, the formation of BIMB was significantly influenced by the Bumiputra Economy Congress in 1980 and various Islamic development seminar. This effort culminated in the establishment of BIMB, showcasing the flexibility of Islamic bank within a modern economy. Public Islamic Bank Berhad is a subsidiary of Public Bank Berhad, founded by Tan Sri Dr. Sri Dr. Day Hao Pyo in 1966. Public Bank Berhad quickly rose to become a leading financial institution in Malaysia, known for its intensive branch network and robust infrastructure. In 1993, Public Bank Berhad launched its Islamic banking window, offering Sharia compliance product alongside conventional banking services. The success of this initiative led to the formal establishment of Public Islamic Berhad in 2008, allowing the bank to focus solely on the development and expansions of Islamic banking services. Public Islamic Bank Berhad leveraged the intensive branch network and robust infrastructure of its parent company while strictly adhering to Sharia principle. This has been crucial to its success and growth. In conclusion, the histories of Public Islamic Bank Berhad and Bank Islam Malaysia Berhad reflect the evolution and success of Islamic banking in Malaysia. Their establishment and growth demonstrate the viability of Islamic banking principle within a modern economic framework. As Islamic banking continues to grow globally, it presents a viable alternative to conventional banking, aligning financial practice with the ethical and moral value of Islamic. Now, I will be discussing the fundamental principles that govern Islamic banking operation, emphasizing ethical, transparent, and equitable financial practice. Firstly, Islamic banking prohibits riba or interest instead of charging interest. Islamic bank promote profit sharing arrangement where both of lender and the borrower share the risk and reward of a business venture. This also includes the concept of Qardul Hasan, a valuable loan with no interest in charge. Secondly, Islamic banking discourages interaction involving excessive uncertainty and ambiguity, known as gara. This means the economic transaction must be free from uncertainty, risk, and speculation. Contracts should have a clear term and condition, with all relevant information disclosed with the parties involved. Banking avoid financing activity that are considered haram or forbidden in Islam, such as gambling, alcohol, or pork-related business. The activity of Islamic Bank are monitored by the Sharia Supervisors Board, which consists of Sharia jurists who act as independent auditors and advisor to ensure the compliance with the Islamic ethnic. Additionally, Islamic banking adherence to high ethical and moral standard, promoting social responsible practice in all financial activity. Moreover, Islamic banking emphasizes the concept of profit and loss sharing, or PLS. This involves sharing profit and loss between the parties fairly and equitably through contracts such as mudarabah and musyarakah. In conclusion, the principle of Islamic banking, including the prohibition of interest, risk sharing, ethical investment, and social responsibility, ensure the financial transactions are conducted in a manner that promote economic justice and social well-being. As Islam banking continues to grow globally, it presents a viable alternative to conventional banking, aligning financial practice with the ethical and moral value of Islam.
Okay, we move to principle of public Islamic bank. Principle of public Islamic bank is highlighted four aspects here. First is provision of riba. The provision of riba, which is commonly interpreted as usury, is the cornerstone of Islamic finance. Fixed interest rate transactions are avoided by public Islamic bank because they are thought to be exploitative. Second is asset-based financing. Asset-based financing is prioritized by public Islamic bank. Islamic financing, in contrast to conventional loans, is based on asset ownership or trading. Third is model of principles. Model of principle is activities stay away from sector of the economy that Islamic belief consider damaging or immoral, like gambling, alcohol, and the manufacture of weaponry. And last, the idea of maslahah. The idea of maslahah, or we call social good, is fundamental to Islamic finance. Realizing this, public Islamic bank make an effort to give back to the community. And next, I add some information for public Islamic bank, which is number first is logo of public Islamic bank. As you can see here, the pattern stand for consistency, reliability, and steadiness. Second is bold and expressions of strength, vitality, and dedication. Third is red denotes power and passion. Last but not least, status as Sharia compliant institution. And number two is function of public Islamic bank. As highlighted here, we have five functions. Number first is accepting deposit. Public Islamic bank take deposit in a variety of forms such as investment, savings, and current account. Account holder may get a portion of the profit made from their deposit, which are managed in accordance with Sharia law. Second is provide Islamic financial service. Public Islamic bank provide Islamic financial service to people, companies, and entities and other entities like murabahah, mudarabah, musyarakah, istisna, and ijarah are example of common financial methods. Third is investment. Public Islamic bank make a investment in effort to maximize profit for its investor while upholding moral and ethical principles. They might invest in security, other financial instrument, initiative, project, and Sharia compliant activities. And fourth is wealth management. Wealth management is public Islamic bank that assists people and organizations looking to invest their money in conformity with Sharia principle by providing wealth management and asset management service. And last, corporate social responsibility. Corporate social responsibility, or we call as a short name CSR, is a program with the goal of supporting sustainable development and giving back to the community. This could involve charitable endeavors, neighborhood and improvement initiative.
Next is product of public Islamic banks. There are four general products: deposits, financing, cards, and takaful. The first product is called saving account and called current account. It is a saving/current account where the bank will accept deposits as a loan given and will pay in the same amount without interest as the depositors extend the funds on the goodwill basis. Next is term deposit. It is a fixed deposit where it involves placing a certain amount of deposit with the bank for a specified amount of time. In exchange for this commitment, the depositors will receive a fixed interest rate on their deposit. Those who fail to keep the deposit for the specified amount of time given by the bank will receive a penalty. Next is home equity financing. This type of financing is offered by the bank as a product of home financing for those who need access to funds for the purposes that are related to owning a home. The process involves the customer and the bank jointly acquiring and owning the property. As an owner, the customer will periodically acquire the bank's ownership in the property. Then the bank leases its share of the property to the customer until the end of lease term, and the customer would have acquired all the bank's share and the partnership will come to an end, with the customer being the sole owner of the property. Next is Public Islamic Bank Platinum Visa Card, Visa Credit Card. This credit card product is offered by the bank based on the ujrah management fee, thus making it comply with Sharia and free from interest riba. Card holders will pay the ujrah in exchange for certain benefits, privilege, and services provided by the bank. As an example, one of the benefits provided is access to the airport lounge, which is Plaza Premium Lounge. Next is takaful for outstanding financing. The Public Islamic Bank also provide takaful, which is insurance for any outstanding balance. There is three types of products that provide coverage for any outstanding finance or any finance suffered in any unfortunate event happen. First is mortgage reducing term takaful 3, providing coverage for any outstanding home financing amount whenever an unfortunate event happen. Second is hire purchase reducing term takaful, providing coverage for remaining installment to ensure customer possess 100% ownership of the vehicle. And the last is PB term CI2, assisting in financial when customers suffer specific critical illness to allow them focus on their recovery.
We will move to the difference of public Islamic bank and conventional bank. Financial institutions serve the same function of providing financial services to businesses, individuals, and governments. However, there is a difference between Islamic and conventional banks with different approaches and principles in order to guide their operations. The differences between both institutions can be divided into 5 aspects, which is principles, products and services, risk sharing and risk transfer, consideration, and regulatory framework. For principles, Islamic Bank operates based on Islamic principles of finance, which is Sharia law. The principle prohibits the acceptance or payment of riba, engaging in the excessive uncertainty, gharar, speculation, maisir, and investment in business is forbidden, while conventional banks operate under a system which allow the payment and receipt of interest as well as engage in various types of transactions without regard to Sharia compliance. For products and services, Islamic Bank offers financial products and services that comply with Islamic principles. It includes Sharia-compliant finance such as cost-plus financing, murabaha, profit sharing, mudarabah, leasing, ijarah, and Islamic bonds, sukuk. For conventional bank, it offers a wide range of services and products, including interest-based loans, credit cards, and investment vehicles such as stocks and bonds. For the third aspects, risk sharing and risk transfer. Islamic Bank emphasizes risk sharing between the bank and the customer. Profits and losses are shared between parties involved, while for conventional bank, they transfer the risk to the borrower through interest-based lending. The bank will charge a predetermined rate of interest regardless of the outcome of the borrower's venture. Fourth aspect is consideration. Islamic Bank operates with ethical consideration of avoidance, gambling, and alcohol and tobacco. Meanwhile, conventional bank does not have any such restrictions, which may invest in a broader range of sectors and industries. Last but not least, regulatory framework. Islamic Bank has a specific regulations governing Islamic banking operations to ensure compliance with Sharia principles. While conventional bank, it operates within the framework of standard banking regulations that may or may not address specific ethical or religious consideration.
To sum up, Public Islamic Bank Berhad is a shining example of innovation and quality in Malaysia's Islamic banking sector. Establish a solid base based on Islamic principle and technical innovation, the bank has solidified its standing as a reliable collaborator for individual, enterprises, and establishment looking for financial solutions that comply with Sharia. By providing a wide area of service and product, Public Islamic Bank Berhad enables clients to fulfill their financial goals while upholding their religious conviction. Customers are guaranteed to receive the advice and support they require to make knowledgeable financial decisions because of the bank's dedication to providing exceptional service and individual support. In the continuing growth of Public Islamic Bank Berhad in domestic and international operation activities, its core values have constantly been those of integrity, innovation, and service excellence. With this futuristic focus and commitment to the changing needs to the customers, the bank is ready to take the lead in the Islamic banking sector in Malaysia for quite some years ahead.